Hello everyone, welcome to our channel where we explore the path to more peaceful and stress-free life. Today, we're delving into the transformative world of mindfulness techniques. Mindfulness is about being present in the moment, cultivating awareness, and finding tranquility in the midst of life's chaos. Let's take a closer look at some effective techniques that you can incorporate into your daily routine. First on our journey is meditation. Take a few moments each day to sit in silence, focusing on your breath or calming mantra. Meditation helps quiet the mind and bring a sense of inner peace. As you meditate, observe your thoughts without judgment, allowing them to come and go like passing clouds. Next up, deep breathing exercises. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a moment, and exhale slowly. Deep breathing is an instant stress reliever, bringing fresh oxygen to your body and calming the nervous system. As you breathe deeply, visualize inhaling positive energy and exhaling any tension or negativity. Mindful walking is a beautiful practice. Take a stroll and pay attention to each step, the sensation in your body, and the sound around you. It's a simple yet powerful way to connect with the present moment. Feel the ground beneath your feet, notice the rhythm of your steps, and allow yourself to be fully immersed in the act of walking. Gratitude journaling is another wonderful technique. Each day, jot down 3 things you're grateful for. Focusing on the positive aspects of life can shift your perspective and reduce stress. Take a moment, reflect on the small joys and blessings, cultivating an attitude of gratitude. In our digital age, a digital detox is crucial. Allocate some time to disconnect from screens, social media, and emails. Embracing quiet moments without constant notifications significantly reduce stress. Use this time to engage in other mindful activities, such as reading a book, going for a nature walk, or simply enjoy a quiet cup of tea. Remember, the key to mindfulness is consistency. Start with small steps and gradually integrate these practices into your routine. Your mind will thank you, and you'll likely notice a positive shift in your overall well-being. If you found these mindfulness techniques helpful, don't forget to like this video, share your experiences in the comments, and subscribe for more in-depth insight on living a mindful and stress-free life. Until next time, stay present and stay peaceful. This is Financial Whiteboard.